Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments that are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word of the day. Scorpio's inner work. I need that confidence. I need you to look in the mirror and build that confidence. Say you're great, you're strong, you're a warrior, you're a survivor, and now you're a difference maker. You are a superstar. All resentment, anger, and grudge, I need you to dispel that, expel that away from your being, because you are taking it to the next level and not only being a blessing to your life, but you're a blessing to everyone else's life that is around you. So continue to not slow down your journey. I need you guys to expedite your journey because you've been excelling at light years of speed, light speed, to actually get to where you are, and you work too hard to stop now. God brings me ideal situations for my inner healing. Forgiveness is very huge. Moving on to the next step is very huge. Understanding that others are responsible for their inner healing and inner work. Therefore, it's okay to be selfish at that time, and make sure you take care of yourself, because a healed Scorpio that's feeling at 100% can make a world's difference, and then you can actually help those, once again, that needs help with their inner work. But being the example instead of just talking, being about it, makes a huge difference. As I become aware of my weaknesses, I turn them into strengths. I direct my thoughts towards the light, and I see the positive side of every stage of life, because it's only just to build you to be that supreme being, that supreme example of the impossible can be possible. And once people see things, they know it's possible. We can talk about it and say it was possible, but when you are the reflection of what people want to excel to be like, the superstar that you are, it makes a huge difference, and people who actually put in the proper work. You're a great example. Darkness turns into courage. Thus you get stronger. And as you get stronger, that means you're ready for more. What? Blessings. Blessings come with their own weight, but it'll feel like a feather, not like a ball and chain. Rain, sleet, or snow, you'll be able to maintain your blessings. As you get stronger, that's when you're saying to the universe that I'm ready for more and I can maintain it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. I love you.